Your building shines during the day. The architecture, landscaping, and branding is there for all to see. Why shouldn't it stand out even after the sun dips below the horizon? With exterior lighting from Pinnacle Lighting Group, you can project the magnificence of your building after nightfall. Clients come to us for our unmatched experience, state-of-the-art lighting design and installation capabilities, and our team of talented professionals. We make it our mission to provide an excellent experience for our clients. First, we listen to your goals and objectives. Then design a custom exterior lighting plan that will artistically illuminate your building. Integrate the look and design of your landscaping. Create the perfect atmosphere in your outdoor spaces, and provide security for your customers and employees. Bring your company's visibility into the light with outdoor lighting from Pinnacle Lighting Group.